Hello everyone, on today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your LG Aristo 2. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, you will need to hold the volume down button and power button together until the LG logo appears. Quickly release the power button and then immediately press the power button again while still holding the volume down button. Okay, let's give it a try. Hold the volume down button and the power button together until the LG logo appears. Only release the power button and now quickly press it again. You will then release all buttons once the factory reset screen appears. Use the volume down button to scroll to yes and press the power button to select. Once again, scroll to yes and press the power button to confirm. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.